Hello viewers, welcome to the next episode of knowledge sharing. For today, we are looking at this question and it says solve for x in 2 to the power of x equals to x to the power of 32. So we are going to solve for the value of x from this equation. You can see we are given 2 to the power of x equals to x to the power of 32. So we have a constant to the power of a variable and also a variable to a power of a constant. So what we are going to do is for us to try and evaluate this. Take the constant to one side and take the variable to one side. How do we do that? We need to multiply both sides by the power of 1 all over x. So this will become 2 to the power of x all to the power of 1 all over x equals to x to the power of 32 all to the power of 1 all over x. In this situation, this will cancel here and this will cancel here. We are now left with 2 to the power of 1 equals to x to the power of 32 all over x. So here, this 2 to the power of 1 here can also become 2. So here, we need to move this 32 to this other side. What are we going to do? What we are going to do is for us to multiply both sides by the power of 1 all over 32. So this will become 2 to the power of 1 all over 32 equals to x to the power of 32 all over x all to the power of 1 all over 32. So this is the same thing as having 2 to the power of 1 all over 32 equals to x to the power of 32 all over x times 1 all over 32. So in this case, you can rewrite this as 32 all over x times 1 all over 32. So in this case, 32 will cancel here and 32 will cancel here. We are now left with 2 to the power of 1 all over 32 equals to x to the power of 1 all over x. So here we have x to the power of 1 all over itself, and also we have 2 to the power of 1 all over 32. So the next step is for us to make sure that what we have here should be the same thing in 1 all over what we have here. So where we need to multiply by 1, and that 1 we said can be equals to 2 over 2, or it can be equals to 3 over 3, or it can be equals to 4 over 4. So let's take 2 over 2. So here we can multiply by the power of 2 over 2. This becomes 2 to the power of 1 all over 32 times 2 over 2. Then we have equals to 1 all over x. You can see that if we multiply 1 all over 32 by 1, it still gives us 1 all over 32. So in this case, this will become 2 to the power of 2 all over 64 equals to x to the power of 1 all over x. So in that case, we have that. So what we have here is 2 to the power of 2 all over 64 equals to x to the power of 1 all over x. This can be written as 2 to the power of 2 all to the power of 1 all over 64 equals to x to the power of 1 all over x. So here, 2 to the power of 2 is 4. So this can be written as 4 to the power of 1 all over 64 equals to x to the power of 1 all over x. So doing, we can take another 1, that is 2 over 2. So this will become 4 to the power of 1 all over 64 times 2 over 2 equals to x to the power of 1 all over x. We can multiply here. We have 4 to the power of 2 all over 128 equals to x to the power of 1 all over x. So here we can write this as 4 to the power of 2 all to the power of 1 all over 128 equals to x to the power of 1 all over x. 4 to the power of 2 is 16. So this can be written as 16 all to the power of 1 all over 128 equals to x to the power of 1 all over x. We can also multiply by 2 over 2. So this will become 16 to the power of 1 all over 128 times 2 over 2 equals to x to the power of 1 all over x. Multiplying this is the same thing as having 16 to the power of 2 all over 256 equals to x to the power of 1 all over x. So this is what we have now. Then we can have that by writing on this other side as 16 here to the power of 2 all over 256 equals to x to the power of 1 all over x. So here we can write this as 16 to the power of 2 all to the power of 1 all over 256 equals to x to the power of 1 all over x. 16 to the power of 2 is 256. If you punch your calculator, that's what you have. So we have here 256 all to the power of 1 all over 256 equals to x to the power of 1 all over x. So here, as we said earlier, that what we want to achieve is for us to have a variable that is to the power of 1 all over a variable, and also a constant that is to the power of 1 all over that same constant. So this is what we have. And you can see that from this expression, we can deduce that our x equals to 256. So this is the value of x. And we are sure that it satisfies this equation. But we need to confirm. Let us confirm and check whether when we substitute that into 2 to the power of x equals to x to the power of 32, as x equals to 256. So this will become 2 to the power of 256 equals to 256 to the power of 32. So here we have 2 to the power of this. So here let us see 2 to the power of 256, and let's make this the same base as 2. So this will give us 2 to the power of 8 all to the power of 32. Let's see 2 to the power of 256 equals to 2 to the power of 8 times 32. Let's see 32 times 8 times 8. We have 8 times 2, we have 16. We write 6 here, carry 1. 8 times 3, we have 24. 24 plus 1, we have 25. Therefore, 32 times 8 will give us 256. So 2 to the power of 256 equals to 2 to the power of 256. What we have on the left hand side is what we have on the right hand side. Therefore, x equals to 256 satisfy this equation. 2 to the power of x equals to x to the power of 32. If you like what we are doing here, follow us on Facebook, subscribe to our YouTube channel, comments, and share our video for more interesting topics. Thank you.